So, I put some guidelines here. Tinansya ko lang kung gaano kalayo yung distance ng bibig at yung ilong mata. So, right here yung nose. Curved line. Then, lagyan nyo ng line. Horizontal line. Right there. So, ang na-notice ko rin guys is you also have to define few things here. Then, yeah. Eyes. So, ayan. Nagbago lang ako ng angle guys, ng camera angle. Kasi hindi ako masyadong makapag-drawing kasi nakaharang sa camera. Pero babalik ko din later. So, kung